Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of The Chow Hall. Today we are making Out Chicken Cordon Bleu. I made these on my Camp Chef Woodwind with the optional sidekick and griddle, but you can make them easily with a good skillet and an oven. First, we'll need some thin cut chicken breast. You can either buy it that way, as a cutlet, or you can cut regular breast down so you end up with two thinner pieces. For the breading, we'll be using Cattlemans Grill Ranchero seasoning, Grated Parmesan, and Penko breadcrumbs. You can use whatever seasoning you want, though I find the Ranchero really suited this dish. Get all of your ingredients together and mix them up. I went with about 50-50 Penko to Parmesan, followed by a healthy portion of the Ranchero seasoning. I tried using the bowl to bread the chicken, but I found a plate to be a lot easier. Once the chicken is all breaded, throw it in the fridge while you get everything else ready. Now we're going to brown up some deli ham. How much you brown it is up to you. I like a bit of color on mine. When done to your liking, move off the skillet or griddle. We want the cooking surface around medium or leaning towards medium high. If it's too hot, it'll scorch the breadcrumbs. Cook until you've got a nice looking crust, then move the chicken into an oven, or in my case, the pellet smoker, at around 300 to 350 degrees to finish cooking. Once the chicken is at about 165 degrees, remove from the oven or smoker and start building. I went with a few pieces of ham and a slice of cheese or two per chicken breast. Once built, put them back in the oven or smoker to finish melting the cheese. Remove when done to your liking and serve. These were delicious. They were plenty moist and very flavorful. I really liked the combination of Penko, Parmesan, and Ranchero seasoning. I would definitely make them again. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more Chow Hall cooking.